Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Marcia. Now, Marcia came out to address the landlord Erica for the last time. She said, "This is the last time that I'm going to come out and address you, and this time I'm addressing you by your correct name." Guys, you would have to go ahead and catch the video to see what Marcia has to say, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their beautiful birthdays today, I wish you a happy, happy birthday. I wish you love, joy, peace, and happiness and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies out there and supporters, I wish you a wonderful day. And for my mothers out there, you know how it goes. Happy Mother's Day to you. Please go like, share, follow, and subscribe to the channel because you know this is the channel to go. Have yourselves a wonderful day.
And violence. You chat too much, and that is your problem, and you love money too much. That is your problem. Go work. You can't work again at Jamaica and work there if you do. Because nobody know why if you're housekeeper, nobody know why if you're shopkeeper and nothing. Go and go take your money we get from social media and go buy some things and walk around and go sell it. Or you go along a seaside at daytime, go get fish and show the people the talent where you have, if you have talent. You understand? Me heard the attacks on things last night. I think you are a certified madman. You're coming up with all kind of conspiracy. Me allowed to talk anything when me want to talk and call a name. When me, and whatever, you chat too much. You understand? You over there attack all kind of things. You know, say you're troublemaker. Let me tell you something. You can't bring me down and you can't bring my friend down. My friend a hard-working man. Him is not a street man. Him a private man. He work 5 days a week, 12-hour shift. And him a man him love is staying and watching football. Anything me want him to get done, me have to wait until him football finish before him do anything. So let me tell you something. You be careful what you out there say about people, and your mouth will get you into problem. Me see last night I cuss out the people and because them never scream record video and video not. You don't have no evidence. That is no evidence of no threat. First of all, the man no call a name. How the hell you take that to police and court? Did the man come and say, Erica landlord or Erica merchant or whatever, I'm gonna do this to you? You is a wicked woman. And you see soon as I may get my friend them and get somebody, I'm gonna strike you. You is a wicked woman, and I told you, you have church side of you, and you wouldn't even go to church on Sunday evening time. I wish part you live in the area there's a church beside your road. If you see how wicked you is. What a way you want to come on social media and be a menace to society. And the way you drag me down and stuff, and you come up with that kind of conspiracy. But you Ghana police department, you Ghana this, you have American passport, you use a European citizen. We don't care about that. You don't have no evidence against me. You don't have no evidence. I can come out here, me can say anything that I want to say and call any name when I want to call. Me is a law-abiding citizen in the United States of America. With no record, nothing. You come on social media, you want it. I saw you did you drag down the woman when you V data. And you drag down me. You drag down everybody. You drag down everybody. And you're in everybody business. And when you don't get your way, you cry foul. You did it up in your video, try to get passerby. People care. How that I could look for your why when you report things, why you not report to the law officer them so you try to pursue people on road and people private business. If you take picture, if you put out on social media, which is against the law. Why don't you go tell the officer them that people? What your report say? Him know you? Did he call a name out? Did he call a name out? What kind of threat think you? What kind of threat? What kind of threat? What is that for you? Come and make conspiracy and I call people fugitive, them are running from Jamaica and them this and them that and them whatever and them whatever. What you know about people? You see me I talk about with them out? Before you drop the thing and go black about something else, you did a come for your page and I talk about people. And me have man where I do this and me have to give up man. You see, this is a madness where you talk about. Madness. Me nah hide. Me live a Connecticut and me nah hide. Since I see a name out Pampy's restaurant, what you call that when I say me know you easy for fine. I would that not threat too. You got Pampy's very easy for fine and me know a lot of people too. I would that not threat too. So what you do? Not threat me too. How that go? Eh? How that go? You want to come on social media and make your people them boost you up and chat foolishness at people years old. Eh? Look how far you gone. Eh? Look how far you gone. Look how far you gone. Look how your mental mind. Look upon them the conclusion and them is something the way I come up with. Eh? Look upon them is something there. And me have strength for. Eh? And me have strength to idiot workless woman. And me have strength for. Eh? And me have strength for. But you go to this place, you want something go viral, you go for TVJ. God Jamaica go report your country. We're full of conspiracy. And that you figure do. Go report your country and go to your prime minister if you see all the Indian people come a yard. And that you need figure do. Go report the crime and violence and go take it to the High Commissioner and go make it go viral. So the crime can solve in your country. And that you need to do. And that you need to do. Go to your prime minister. Go ask how come too much Indian people land a yard. Go take up Jamaican news and the things then we are going out there. That you figure do. Both you go call this and you call that and you have to give up this. You see, you chat too much. Eh? You chat too much. Some blogger, if them see things getting out of hand, and you or whatever get them would have drop things. You make it you make it a go on and a stretch out and a tell lie upon people. You can't tell a lie upon me because first of all, me never threaten you. You understand? Me talk all the while on social media. I was coming over your page and over there and I go on with the entertainment and I entertain you. Then you gonna drag. Look on me something about you go report this and report that. Then how far that you can reach. Go on go report. Me not hiding. Go and go report. Go and go report who you want to report to. Afraid, yeah, catch afraid because you hear one set a alliance call. Yeah, catch afraid, so you want to come cry foul. And that is your problem. Go and do your blogging. Nobody no count you. Leave people business and nobody no count you. I would have want to waste them time on a whole witch like you. You know, say you did already. Anybody that want to do you nothing? Eh? Anybody would want to do nothing for the type of life where you live? Eh? And you're not even a God church to serve God? You was a walking dead. You don't have no salvation. Anybody out there would want to do you anything? Eh? You're bright and out order. Shut up your mouth and go on about your business. And go do your blogging and leave my name alone out your mouth and leave people's name. And go make your money other ways. And that you figure do. And stop coming up with that kind of conspiracy. And I get yourself in a deeper hot water. Your people them not talk to you. And me have strength for. You is one of the biggest troublemakers on social media. Eh? You even turn around and cuss off the people them. Eh? Every Jamaican man talk like that. If you want somebody to go carry a court and carry a sue and High Commission, go bring your artists them too. Because the artists them sing just like that and put rhyme like that. All the artists them. Go carry Vice Cartel and carry all like big artists them too. We dance all artists them. When them a do all battles and stuff. Go call the police on them and go call whatever it is. Both fugitive, American fugitive. Welcome, take American passport from him. Take American passport from him then. And if my fugitive, why Why America never catch him when he got Jamaica 3 months ago? Why Jamaica never catch him a fugitive if he got Jamaica 3 months ago? Why they never catch him at airport? Eh? Why never catch him at airport? Why never catch him at airport? If him wanted a Jamaica, why them never hold him at Jamaica when he go down 3 months ago? Eh? Why is that? If him in the system for wanted man or whatever, why Jamaica never catch him? Where Jamaica make him come from? Yeah? If him a wanted man, who ain't got American passport. Stop walk around and spread rumor upon people. You is a mad woman. You is the worst on social media when it comes to troubling people. The worst. The worst when you come for troubling people. You is the worst. And when I saw no stay, when you no trouble people and people say something to you, no can't take it, eat, you no cry foul. I'm ready for go run this one, run this one, run this one. You know how much things people do to me? You know how much things you do to me? When me could have sue you in a law, when me could have sue you. No, you say you're a Dutch citizen. That means you're a Dutch citizen. Me supposed to write to when you behave certain way then. Not Jamaica. Cause you're a citizen of Europe or whatever, and you have your whatever. That means say if you're that Jamaica so long, that means you have dual citizenship. That means you're not Jamaican then. You give up your rights to Jamaica. Then how you fight? Come talk to me. Let me see how which lie I tell you. Say you're a citizen of Dutch, whatever country you come from. So that means any complaint we have to say about you then, we have to go to that country. So you don't have the rights to Jamaica then you give up your rights. Then how you come and fight for Jamaica and do all kind of things. You know have so what make you not go back to your country where you give up and go pledge allegiance for if you're a citizen there. So how if you're a citizen, how you there Jamaica so long and live there? How you there Jamaica live so long? Unless you take out dual citizenship. So if you're a citizenship of the country, then from me know you from Facebook, me never see you take plane and go back to your country yet. Eh? Come talk to me. You are a citizen of a country. And if you was a citizen of a country, Jamaica only supposed to allow you in the country at for certain time. You'd have to go back and forth. Me got Jamaica as American citizen. And if me come for 2 weeks, they only give me 3 months. Them not even a stamp 6 months on my passport. Like when me come up, like when they come America. Them all give me all a month or two in my passport when me go yard. So if you are a citizen of a different country, you there Jamaica so long, I mean see a return. From me see up on social media, me see never see a catch a plane yet. Other than the plane we turn back out of JFK airport, out of Manly airport or Montego Bay when you try to go to Canada. So if you is a citizen of that country, that means say me need to call up your name and write a letter to that country then. Me know your name and your birthday, so I will find out if you is a citizen or not. I will get my detective them pan it as early as possible. Since as you love a drag out business, I am going to find out if you are a citizen of that country. I will know if you're a liar or not. And I'm going to ask them, how is it? You think, don't play with Marcia. Just as though you say you have your people in high places, I, Marcia Campbell, have my people in high places. I can get any information. I'm American, I have telephone, I can call anywhere in the world. I'm going to so when you are behaving a slander or whatever it is, I'm gonna find out. You're too you before because you know so bad mind and jealous towards me. In no matter when me got you in life, you want to come on social media, come put me down. Then you want your page for bill. Bill your page with goodness. Don't build your page. Don't you lose your page because of your mouth. You understand? You lose your page because of your mouth. So when you go report things to people, when you go report people and carry people go and say you report, remember say you must carry people, you carry a video of them too, where you're telling all kind of lie, palmy and conspiracy, and talking about a man that you don't know. You understand? Talking about a man who live in this country for almost 30 years in America. So if him live in the country for 30 years and him commit any crime at Jamaica or do anything, that means if him supposed to come here when my young boy. Because I'm almost there just like me. As you can see, a straight American language him talk most of the time. If him talk Jamaican, I probably have to push him out. Many times I talk, I have to tell him, say, listen, talk some Jamaican. You understand? So let me tell you something. You go on with a little conspiracy and go sit yourself down. And go have yourself a happy Mother's Day. Go take the time you did there, try to come on social media, go spend time with your mother. Go take out your mother. Go and look for your mother that lives around the corner from you, or wherever she live. Go mend fence with your mother. I don't want this up this morning, you know. Because today is Sunday, I'm going to church. Go and mend fence with your mother. Put on your clothes and go along to church. You are a very lonely and sad woman. And if you feel like say you get away with this and with the conspiracy, then go on. The people them can look at your profile, look at your video with all them nonsense we are going with. No man out there, police officers or anybody, I go uphold with you to come on social media and I try to get man to put out on social media where man not trouble you, man privacy. And I not like that. Them now agree with that. You know, have common sense and say, all right then, this is getting out of hand. Let me drop this. No, you're going to dig deep and come up with all kind of things. Eh? Both Jamaica wanted, man, and Jamaica wanted this. You see? You don't learn. You need psychological evaluation. You don't learn. People can't come on social media and then can't feel like them can't say anything or anything. You know how much time you get threatened? You know how much time that the man, the 300 threatened me? You know how much time in click gone in a life for me? Eh? You know how much things you do to me? You know how much time me hear on the page and say if I go out the door, make truck run over me? Eh? You know how much time me hear you tell me say if you go jump over a bridge? Eh? You know how much things you talk out of your mouth towards me, but yet you have my video I use and I make money. You know how much things? You know how much things you go on with? Eh? But when you come in the kitchen now and you can't take it eat now, you're ready to come out here, go to high commission. Go on now. Go on. Go on with the evidence where you have. Go on with the evidence that you have. And make sure you care for you too. To make them see say you're the biggest troublemaker on social media. Nobody now sorry for you, one here. You can't walk up what you want to pursue people on the road. And then you're going to come back and talk, but you're going to speak to this or somebody and them tell us them are this and them are that and what not. You have a pass. Everybody in this world have a pass. Some sort of pass. I don't know about my friend have the pass because I didn't discuss nothing. You come on social media, me ask him a question, and him say it him with a talk just like how any man in Jamaica would talk. Whether them he something or he something not. Stop, leave people alone and go your ways. Me and you don't have no argument if you tap call me name for your page. But you're in a heat. Like when dog in a heat. For build your page. Until you want to get yourself in a hot water. And when you realize, say, you fire strike your foot bottom now, you're ready to come about your turn, for call this and what are we now? Go on and go pursue it.